You will need 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup Epsom salt, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup citric acid, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a bath bomb mold, a bowl and spoon to mix with, and any food coloring or essential oils of your choice.
Start by pouring in all of your dry ingredients.
Stir everything thoroughly and set it off to the side.
In a separate container, mix together 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. At this time, you can add your food coloring and essential oils. Mix together the ingredients until everything is well combined.
Bring together your wet and dry ingredients. Slowly add the wet to the dry, making sure to not add it in too quickly.
Continue mixing together your ingredients until you have the consistency of wet sand. You'll know the mixture is ready when you can squeeze it in your hand and it will keep its shape.
Get your bath bomb mold and begin tightly packing your mixture into it, making sure to overflow both sides. Take both sides and put them together until you hear a snap. Set this off to the side to dry for around 5 minutes.
Once your bath bomb is done drying, take a spoon and gently tap both sides of the mold to release them from each other. Your bath bomb is now ready to be used.
Make sure to use your new bath bomb within a week for best results.